Speaking of Bugattis, this is one of the hottest stories on all of Reddit right now. Now, we have featured videos in which you would have these sort of time-lapse builds of miniature versions of luxury vehicles. But how about we take it to another level and have these guys that build using clay a replica of a Bugatti. This one will not go 417 kilometers an hour. But check out this ridiculous time lapse. This is what happens, man. When the previous video goes viral, they're like, we can do that. They're like,
yeah. People who make these concept cars, like they usually use clay as well, right?
absolutely.
Before the car's built.
Mold it however you want,
Yeah.
but these guys don't stop there, Will.
Oh, no?
Yeah, no, you got to keep watching. Look at this. Look what's going on. Is that fiberglass? Look what's going on.
Wow, they built the frame.
No, you need to keep watching here, Will.
Whoa.
They get a
Toyota.
they get a Toyota motor, right? They lift it in there. It's weird. Look at this. They do the they weld together an actual frame for it.
Whoa.
Rear mounted, and then finish up the actual exterior here. Look at this. Anyway, it's beyond. The only reason things like this is because things like this exist is because of YouTube, right? You would never undertake a project like this unless you knew you could get a lot of views and that it would be feasible, because this would be so expensive to do. Look at all the people working on it all the time.
The time. My God.
I mean,
And for some reason, it's always in like Southeast Asia.
they
Is
love
this like
yeah,
Vietnam or something?
it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they love it. I mean,
Yeah.
it's
They love building these things.
well, or building in general. Solving like. I think it's something about creating like you on YouTube to get noticed in 2022. You got to do something just
Way out
wild.
there, yeah.
It's just got to be something wild because everybody's done stuff, and so we have. I don't know how many views this has at the moment. It has 109,000 upvotes on Reddit. Here's the finished product. I have
That's
to assume.
insane.
I have to assume Bugatti would be very angry about this. I just thought of that right now. I mean, granted, there's no logos or anything on it.
I also don't think it would be a good look for them to do anything about it, though.
No, but car companies do weird stuff sometimes. Like Ferrari, I remember, got mad at Deadmau5 because he put a
Nyan
Nyan Cat.
the graphic.
They actually tried to shut him down just for changing the appearance of his Ferrari.
Whoa.
Yeah, some automotive brands are so protective of their brand and the appearance of their brand
Right, yeah.
that if a high-profile person does something or uses it for commercial purpose, like these guys made a lot of money off this video. Presumably, if it got viewed as many times as I think it does. Can you watch it on YouTube? Can we see the view count? I mean, I feel like we might as well since we're here.
I think this is embedded.
Is that how it works on Reddit these days? You don't even...
I'll try to look for it.
You have to upload the video directly there, or is that just how the player looks now? We'll find out. We got to get to the bottom of this. There we go. Okay. What? 8 views. Oh, there we go. 6 million. Wait, 41 million? No. Well,
Is it this
Which
one?
one is
It's
it?
not that one.
it must be that one. 41 million. Oh, 7 days ago.
That was
There
a
you go.
year ago.
There's
Oh.
7 days ago.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
this
that's
one.
it.
Yeah.
7.7 million views. So they're not the first to attempt it. Homemade Bugatti.
It took them a year.
They say it took 365
Wow.
days. Okay, now I'm thinking 7.7 million views for a year. Maybe not. I mean, I think you have your answer there, Will.
How much do you think it costs to make like just that version?
You're talking about the materials or the
Yeah.
or the actual manpower? Because look at all the people.
Yeah, that's also true. But just material. Like, what was the investment?
I mean, it's madness.
Is there any information here?
Yeah, this is a video
That's
that
crazy.
summarizes the process. We have built it for a year. There will be upgrades as well as a more complete for the car in the near future. Okay, so they're still adding to it, but I mean, it's madness. It's insane. It's crazy. I guess they could sell it. Somebody who wanted a replica.
Yeah.
I don't know who.
We should buy it.
Man, the real thing looks a little better though.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What was that post? You just wanted to remind us what the real thing looks like?
I don't remember. There's been so many links here.
Making international headlines in
I think
2019.
it's
Yeah,
up,
this is a super story. So look what it says, the top speed, 490 kilometers an hour, which is a world record for a production car top speed. And the guy was going, what was it? 417. He had room to spare. Good Lord. Yeah, that's a beautiful looking thing.